Hello students, in this video we are going to see the answers for question number 6a. Read the following passage and answer the following questions given below. So you have from this year or maybe for this year the new paper pattern has been enrolled, and you will be having a passage which you have in English, right? In English paper you always have a seen passage, unseen passage. In the same manner, in geography paper you'll be having a passage which will be related to geography. So it can be a passage from any reference book, it can be a passage from any newspaper article. So such type of passages will be given to you, and on the basis of that some questions will be asked. You need to find out the answers, or you need to read the passage properly, then understand the passage and find out the answers. Some questions will be related to passage, some questions will be related to your own opinion. Okay, now these passages are totally different. I cannot explain all the passages in the video, it will take a lot of time, it is very time consuming too. I have just written the answers for each and every passage. So this is the first passage from your question bank. It consists of total 4 questions. So these are the answers. You can just take a screenshot of it for your reference. Nextly, we'll move ahead with the second question of the passage. The second passage of your question bank. The passage is the economic development of any country requires careful planning and implementation. So this is the starting line, and these are the question answers. Total 5 question answers. Next we have the third passage, which is starting from today the human index of most of the countries in the world is drawn. So for this passage again we have the questions, 4 questions. The second question, which number is given to the countries with higher life expectancy? So all the answers are given here. Now the third question, which stall ratio is taken into consideration? So this answer I'm unable to find it out because there is no such material available in the passage. It does not relate. I think there is some typing mistake, or there is some incorrect factor in the question. So the third question I'm unable to find it out. Next we have next passage, question 6a. So this passage is starting from in developing countries of the world, the development of infrastructure is very slow. So in this we have again the question answers, 3 questions. Then we have passage number 6a. So this is the next passage. Transport is the movement of the person or a thing from one place to another. So these are the questions related to this passage and the answers of them. Next passage is in iron and steel production started from 18th of century. This is the next passage. These are the 4 questions and they are answers. Next passage starts from the word petroleum is derived from the original Latin words petra and oleum. So this is one of the paragraph, and here is the question answers, total 4 questions and their answers. Next passage starts from coal is a black or grey rock by color. So next passage is on coal. So these are the question answers for it. How is coal produced? In which era it was produced? Explain from which component types of coal occur. So these are all the question answers. So this is the end of the passage section. So I hope it is clear to all of you. You might have got some idea. Kindly take the screenshot of this and try to tally the answers with your own answers. I always recommend my students first to solve all the question bank firstly by their own, and then only you can take the help of some other source material. First try yourself, practice yourself, and then take the notes and reference material from some other medium. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.